Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video guys, if you experience slow, sluggish shifting, slipping shifting on your transmission, or you have a hard shifting guys, we'll explain how a solenoid can cause that and how to clean solenoid. Now, we'll guys have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop. We'll take the engines and transmissions completely apart because we guys try to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, like, subscribe and drop a comment and let us know guys what you think about the channel and the video. So we have that transmission, okay, solenoid body out of a Chevy Cruze guys, but many vehicles now will use, okay, the same transmission solenoids, okay, the same concept. So some vehicles use shifter solenoids, some guys use pressure solenoid. This body has both of them. This is a shifter solenoid, those are pressure solenoids. Usually shifter solenoids, you can activate them with a 12 volt supply and you can open and close them, but pressure solenoids never do that because you will damage them. Now what we usually do guys, if you experience sluggish shifting, is because the solenoids, they have little bitty screens that they get plugged up sometimes. And most of the transmission nowadays, okay, let me show you, like this one here, does not even have a transmission filter. Actually the filter is located on the pump, on the oil pump, and in order to replace it guys, you have to take the whole transmission apart and out of the vehicle. So let me explain now, okay, what we will do here. In some cases you can just pull a solenoid out. In this case you have metal retainers holding them in place. So I will just have to go ahead and remove, okay, 3 screws here really quick. And I will show you how to remove them and how to clean them guys, what we use for cleaning. Now it doesn't mean that this is the correct way to clean them, but if they're to the point that they don't work, I always try that, and probably 2 out of 3 times I have really good luck, okay, fixing it without buying new solenoids guys. So now, okay, let me just lift them out. Okay, like that. Now guys, those are the solenoids. And I'll go ahead, here you have a metal holder, okay, that keeps them in place. I will remove 2 solenoids to demonstrate how they differ. Now this is a shifter solenoid. This is a pressure solenoid guys. And practically, okay, you can test those, but you have to find the specific values for your vehicle. All we need to do is use a volt ohm meter here. Okay, find this one guys, listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Now right here we're going to touch the 2 wires on the solenoids, and in our case we should get between 3 and 5 ohms. Okay, and let's see what we will get. We get guys 5.3. 5.2, which is excellent. On the shifter solenoid usually it's a higher resistance, and we should get between 16 and 20 ohms for ours. Yours you always have to double check that. Okay, let me make sure I have good connection. No, I lost it. It's a little bit hard to get to guys. Okay, let me see if it's going to contact here. Okay, it looks like, okay, right there. I almost got it for a second and it came loose. Perfect. Check this thing out, 18.4, 18.5 ohms. So this is good solenoid so far guys. That test will tell you 90% of the time if it's a good solenoid, if it's not. But not always, because the solenoid might start malfunctioning when it's hot. So check out all the dirtiness. Okay, that's from the transmission oil guys, that's on the solenoid. Which means inside you have some film as well. And okay, check this thing out now. Okay, this film right here, okay, that screen, it's plugged up guys. Plugged up, and the car has only 37,000 miles. So you have screens on the side, on the front sometimes. And check out how dirty the oil is. Okay, 37,000 miles on the car and the oil is completely dirty. So we use mass airflow sensor, guys. Mass airflow sensor cleaner, guys. This is amazing for that. And what I usually do, we spray and check out how dirty. Okay, the cleaner comes out. We spray everywhere we can. Okay, dry them really good and then put them together. And the shifter solenoid. Okay, the same thing, guys. So make sure you clean them good. You can clean them on the outside as well. Okay, and you can see the difference, how shiny that thing gets. And on the inside, the same thing happens. So that's how you guys clean them. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to some of you. Please, guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.